If you enjoy cooking outside and want tools that make the whole experience easier and more fun, this list is for you. Today, we're going over 25 outdoor cooking upgrades that deliver better heat control, faster prep, and cleaner results. These picks can tighten up your setup whether you're grilling at home, camping with friends, or cooking on the road. You'll probably find a few things you'll wonder why you didn't buy earlier. Let's dive in and check them out. Sizzling weekends call for gear that keeps your outdoor cooking smooth and crowd-pleasing. Meet the SHIZZO Rib Rack, a sturdy stainless steel tool built for smoking and grilling with confidence. It holds up to 4 full racks of ribs and fits easily in a large gas smoker or charcoal grill. The foldable design makes it portable, collapsible, and simple to store. It lifts ribs for even heat and smoke circulation, giving you juicier results. This perfect barbecue accessory is ideal for spare ribs, baby back ribs, and more. It's a top barbecue gift for men, fathers, and anyone who loves smoker accessories. Great adventures deserve a hot meal you can count on. The HitchFire Forge Grill brings that energy to the trail with a setup that feels bold and fun right from the start. This portable propane barbecue for camping and tailgating delivers 15,000 BTU power through a dual burner system that mounts right to your hitch. The swing-away arm allows you to cook away from your vehicle while keeping everything stable and easy to access. It's made for adventure grilling, giving you portable heat wherever you roam. Use it for road trips, campsites, and outdoor gatherings, where a hitch-mounted, go-anywhere grill makes life easier. Good food deserves steady heat and a setup that makes outdoor cooking feel easy. The Monument 4-burner gas grill brings that energy with a clean silver stainless steel design and a clear view lid that lets you check your cook at a glance. 4 stainless steel burners push 36,000 BTU across a 570 square inch cooking area, complete with a warming rack. You get a foldable side shelf, sturdy enamel firebox, tool hooks, a built-in thermometer, and easy clean enamel cast iron grates. With electronic ignition and smooth mobility, it works for patio grilling, tailgating, camping, or any garden barbecue setup year-round. Keeping your grilling tools organized makes outdoor cooking smoother and more enjoyable. Introducing the Mossime Griddle Caddy, a space-saving barbecue accessory storage box designed for 28-inch and 36-inch Blackstone griddles and prep carts made from durable carbon steel. It features an upgraded, strong magnetic stripe to securely hold scrapers, spatulas, and other griddle tools so they won't fall during cooking. It includes a paper towel holder, J-hooks, and mounts easily on countertops up to 3.5 inches thick. Installation takes just minutes, making it effortless to keep oil bottles, sauces, and seasonings tidy, perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, tailgating, and outdoor grilling adventures. A well-organized prep area makes outdoor cooking effortless and fun. The Keter Unity XL outdoor table combines a stainless steel top for kitchen prep with a weather-resistant resin cabinet for grilling accessories. Its wood-like texture looks great while resisting rust, peeling, and dents. The table includes 2 sidebars with 4 hook hangers, a spice rack, and a bottle opener. With 54 gallons of interior storage and 24 gallons of open storage, it provides a total of 78 gallons for tools, condiments, and utensils. Portable with 2 wheels, it works as a barbecue grill cart, outdoor bar, serving station, or prep table for any backyard gathering. Keeping your pizza stone clean ensures every pie comes out perfectly crisp and delicious. The OUII Pizza Oven Brush makes that easy with heavy-duty, heat-resistant silver stainless steel bristles and a long grip handle. It includes 2 brush heads and a solid pine wood scraper to remove burnt crust, charred dough, flour, and debris from pizza stones, ceramic bakeware, or cast iron ovens. Compatible with OUII, Gosney, Blackstone, and Solo stove ovens, it's simple to assemble, durable, and comes with a replacement brush head, ideal for outdoor kitchens. This tool helps pizza lovers maintain pristine stones and create mess-free, flavorful pies every time. A well-equipped grill makes outdoor cooking effortless and fun. The Grilljoy grill tool set is a 22-piece stainless steel barbecue kit designed for heat resistance, durability, and safety. It includes a 4-in-1 spatula with a serrated edge, a basting brush, corn holders, skewers for large foods, a grill cleaning brush, and a built-in bottle opener. Extended handles keep hands safe from heat, while hanging holes make storage simple. The set comes in a stylish black aluminum case with secure straps to organize and protect tools during transport. Perfect for backyard barbecues, camping, or tailgating. It's an ideal gift for men, dads, and grill enthusiasts. Marinating your meats and veggies makes every barbecue and tailgate flavorful and effortless. Introducing the Cuisinart Marinating Container, a large-capacity grill accessory perfect for soaking meats, vegetables, or seafood in marinades and brines before cooking. Made from durable, food-safe plastic, it includes a snap-on lid for a secure, leak-free seal. Its collapsible silicone design saves space, reducing to just 1.9 inches for easy storage. Compatible with grills like the Propel Plus 3-in-1 gas grill, 2-in-1 outdoor griddler, and indoor or outdoor electric griddles, it handles temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for prepping flavorful meals, this versatile container simplifies brining and marinating for backyard barbecues, camping, and outdoor gatherings. Having a reliable prep surface makes outdoor cooking smoother and more enjoyable. Introducing the Leteuke Grill Cart, a portable, foldable outdoor table with wheels. Perfect for Ninja grills, OUII pizza ovens, tabletop grills, and propane camping stoves. Its heavy-duty carbon steel frame holds up to 450 pounds, providing a sturdy workspace for all your grilling essentials. The cart includes a bottom shelf for a 20-pound gas cylinder, 4 multi-function hooks, a knife holder, a tissue box, and a bottle opener. Easy to assemble and foldable for transport, it serves as a versatile barbecue prep table and outdoor kitchen station, ideal for backyard cookouts, camping, or tailgating adventures. Perfectly rested meat makes every barbecue meal unforgettable. The NAXBEY Barbecue Meat Blanket is a 21-inch pro-grade resting solution designed for brisket, turkey, ribs, steak, and other large cuts. Its wide-mouth design easily fits XL cuts, locking in heat and natural juices to enhance tenderness during low and slow cooking. Compatible with pellet grills, smokers, and charcoal barbecues, it features an upgraded liner and sealed zipper to prevent leaks and simplify cleanup. Compact and portable. It folds flat for storage or transport, ideal for backyard parties, tailgating, picnics, and camping. Versatile as an insulated carrier or cooler liner, it's a must-have for juicier, hassle-free grilled meats. Keeping your baking and cooking surfaces clean makes every meal easier and more enjoyable. The Katbite Unbleached Parchment Paper Roll is a 15-inch by 242-foot, 300-square-foot heavy-duty roll with a serrated cutter for precise, quick cuts. Made from 100% natural unbleached wood pulp and food-grade silicone coating, it's non-stick, compostable, and safe for baking, grilling, air frying, or even freezer use. Extra thick and durable, it resists tearing and holds more food without breaking. Oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and freezer safe down to -68 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for lining pans, baking cakes, cookies, breads, or prepping meats and desserts while simplifying cleanup. A spacious, versatile grill makes outdoor cooking effortless and fun. The Captiva Design's charcoal grill features an oversized cooking area with approximately 800 square inches, including 505 square inches of primary grilling space and 289 square inches of stainless steel warming rack. Its 2 liftable charcoal trays allow precise control over heat zones, perfect for both large parties and intimate family gatherings. The grill includes 2 foldable side tables to hold tools, dishes, and condiments, doubling as handles for easy movement. Enamel-coated grilling grates and trays, plus a chromed warming rack. Resist high heat and clean easily. Ideal for backyard barbecues, tailgating, and outdoor entertaining. Great grilled meals start with a reliable, portable cooking setup. Meet the ONLYFIRE Hibachi Grill, a compact 2-in-1 charcoal barbecue stove crafted from thickened ceramic clay for durability and high-temperature resistance. Its stainless steel grate works perfectly for Japanese-style grilling, Korean barbecue, hibachi, and yakitori. The included grid lifter allows safe, effortless handling, while anti-scalding wooden handles make it easy to transport for camping, picnics, backyard parties, or patios. Bottom vents provide precise flame control and efficient ventilation, minimizing smoke. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, this hibachi grill brings flavorful outdoor cooking anywhere, turning meals into fun, social, and memorable experiences. A versatile outdoor griddle makes breakfast, lunch, and dinner easy and fun anywhere. The Flame King Double Burner Griddle is a 22-inch portable propane gas grill with 374 square inches of cooking space, perfect for family meals, camping, tailgating, or backyard barbecues. Its Teflon-coated non-stick griddle plate ensures even heat distribution and easy cleanup, while the two heavy-duty 24,000 BTU H burners allow independent temperature control for cooking multiple foods at once: pancakes, bacon, steaks, or grilled chicken. Compatible with 1-pound propane cylinders, compact and portable, it includes a detachable grease cup for convenience. This griddle is a complete, travel-friendly outdoor cooking station for any occasion. Having easy access to water makes outdoor cooking and cleanup simple and stress-free. Introducing the Galashield Portable Sink, a battery-operated electric hand-washing station perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard events. Its 5-gallon water tank provides ample supply for washing hands, dishes, and prepping food, all without plumbing. The compact, portable design includes a built-in soap dispenser and towel holder, keeping hygiene convenient on the go. Rechargeable via USB, the sink delivers water with a simple switch, eliminating manual pumping, ideal for outdoor kitchens, campsites, or parties. This portable sink ensures cleanliness, convenience, and peace of mind wherever your adventures take you. Efficient meal prep makes cooking and serving outdoors easier and more enjoyable. Introducing the Drip EZ Collapsible Prep Tub, a versatile solution for marinating, seasoning, and food storage. Designed with a built-in cutting board, it simplifies prep while reducing dishes, and its locking lid keeps ingredients fresh and mess-free. Available in 3 sizes, it collapses flat for space-saving storage and easy transport from kitchen to table or campsite. Durable and heat-resistant, it handles everything from grill to table with ease. Ideal for backyard barbecues, tailgating, camping, or picnics, this smart prep tub keeps food organized, fresh, and ready to serve while streamlining your outdoor cooking experience. Cooking outdoors is easier when your stove is versatile, portable, and reliable. The OGERY Foldable Camping Stove is a 2-burner propane unit with 10,000 BTU output, perfect for tailgating, camping, or backyard adventures. Its unique dual-function griddle features a textured side for grilling steaks and hot dogs and a smooth side for eggs, cheese, or pancakes. The push-button piezo ignition and adjustable burners allow precise, hassle-free cooking. Spacious enough for 2 10-inch pans, it accommodates family meals made from durable stainless steel. It folds compactly and includes a carrying bag for portability. Windproof design ensures consistent heat, making outdoor cooking convenient and enjoyable anywhere. Perfectly smoked meat starts with the right wrapping to lock in flavor and moisture. Meet the Bryco Goods Butcher Paper Roll, a food-grade, peach-colored, unbleached, uncoated, and unwaxed paper made in the USA. Ideal for smoking, grilling, and barbecue. Designed for durability, it traps smoke while releasing steam, preserving the crispy bark and juicy interior of brisket, ribs, pork, and more. Available in 18 and 24-inch widths, it covers everything from smaller cuts to full briskets. The included dispenser box makes wrapping easy and efficient. Stronger than foil, it's perfect for storing, cooking, and serving smoked meats, delivering authentic, flavorful results every time. Efficient food prep makes cooking outdoors or in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. The SB Simpli cutting board is a multi-purpose, large bamboo board designed for chopping meat, veggies, and other ingredients while keeping your workspace clean. Its built-in juice grooves prevent spills, and indented handles with rubber cushions ensure stability during use. Paired with collapsible silicone containers with seal-tight lids, it allows you to store chopped food safely. It is microwavable and dishwasher safe for convenience. High-quality graters included make slicing and dicing effortless. Perfect for outdoor kitchens, meal prep, or indoor cooking, this cutting board system combines organization, durability, and mess-free efficiency for every culinary task. Grilling outdoors is easier when your setup is portable, durable, and effortless. Meet the BiggerFire Rotating Barbecue Grill, a stainless steel 360-degree rotating charcoal grill that flips food automatically with a simple lever motion, ensuring even cooking every time. Made with 1 to 2 millimeter thick stainless steel and a 304 food-safe grill grid, it resists rust and corrosion, ensuring safe cooking. Removable and portable, it includes a storage bag for easy transport and setup, perfect for camping, picnics, backyard parties, or tailgating. Efficient ventilation, improves charcoal combustion and heat distribution. Compatible with wood and charcoal, this grill simplifies cooking while delivering delicious, perfectly cooked meals anywhere. Handling hot grills, smokers, or deep frying tasks safely requires reliable heat protection. The RAPICCA heat-resistant grill gloves are crafted from food-grade neoprene rubber, offering oil, water, stain, and heat resistance up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. With 14-inch long sleeves, they protect both hands and forearms while grilling, smoking, rotisserie cooking, or deep-frying turkey. Textured palms and a double-layer insulated liner provide a firm, comfortable grip for handling hot, wet, or greasy meat. The gloves also manage hot liquids and steam effortlessly. Waterproof, easy to clean, and flexible, these gloves are perfect for barbecue enthusiasts, camping, fire pit cooking, or as thoughtful stocking stuffer gifts for men and women. Grilling outdoors becomes effortless when your setup is portable, durable, and easy to store. The Mihoho Barbecue Charcoal Grill is a foldable stainless steel grill designed for backyard parties, camping, picnics, and travel. Its slim, lightweight design fits neatly in trunks, backpacks, or RVs. Ready whenever adventure calls. Rust-proof, heat-resistant, and non-toxic, it ensures safe, hygienic cooking. The grill accommodates 3 to 5 people. Perfect for smoking bacon, fish, steak, hot dogs, corn, and more. Dual air vents allow even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. Detachable non-stick rack grids make cleanup quick and easy, combining convenience, durability, and outdoor cooking fun in one compact package. Keeping your grill spotless is essential for safe, flavorful outdoor cooking. The ThermoMaven Grill Brush Bristle offers a 17-inch bristle-free cleaning solution with 3 replaceable brush heads and a stainless steel scraper. Its steam-assisted design removes grease, burnt-on food, and residue from porcelain, gas, charcoal, and pellet grills without the risk of wire bristles breaking off. The heat-resistant ergonomic handle provides comfort and control, while the detachable dishwasher-safe brush heads make cleaning effortless and reusable. With a convenient hanging loop, this universal grill brush is easy to store and always ready for action. Enjoy safer, easier, and more effective barbecue maintenance with this essential grill accessory. An efficient outdoor prep space is essential for smooth, enjoyable backyard cooking. Meet the Skyflame Outdoor Dining Cart Table, a 3-shelf stainless steel work table on wheels, perfect for grilling, pizza ovens, and patio dining. Its stainless steel surface resists rust and is easy to clean, while the black-coated steel pipe structure ensures stability. With large capacity shelves, side hooks, a paper towel rack, a seasoning box, and a bottle opener, it keeps all your barbecue tools organized. 2 wheels and a stainless steel handle make it easy to move. Supporting up to 170 pounds, it doubles as a prep station, serving cart or outdoor kitchen storage solution. Grilling fish and delicate vegetables without sticking or breaking can be a challenge. The UpGrill's fish grill basket solved this with a 12.6-inch by 8.6-inch stainless steel design that evenly distributes heat for perfectly cooked meals. The foldable, detachable wooden handle makes flipping easy, while the included carry bag ensures convenient storage and transport. Each set comes with 50 skewers and a silicone brush, providing everything needed for an efficient barbecue. Rust-resistant 430 stainless steel construction, durability, and food safety. Ideal for outdoor grilling, these baskets are perfect for fish, shrimp, and vegetables, serving 2 or 3 people with hassle-free flipping and even cooking. That's the full lineup of 25 outdoor cooking upgrades you'll be glad to add to your setup. Each one helps you cook with less hassle and better flavor, no matter where you're making your meals. If something stood out to you, let me know which gear you're planning to try next. And if you want more recommendations on tools that actually make a difference, check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next cookout.